Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are just going to discuss about some rational expressions, rational expressions and going to reduce them. A rational expression, like, consider it number 1, 120 x square y cube z 5 divided by 30 x3 y z square. Now we can see that the alphabets of upper and lower are same, hence 120 divided by 30, it can be written as and x square divided by x cube multiplied by y cube divided by y multiplied by z5 divided by z square as z square. Now just reduce this, cut 0 with 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 4 multiply by x square minus multiply by x power minus 3, here y की power 3 multiply by y power minus 1 multiply by z power 5 and multiply by z power minus 2. Here we just take these up and the power goes negative. Now further 4 multiply by x, if the bases are same then the powers will be added, like 2 minus 3 multiply by 5, 3 minus 1 multiply by z 5 minus 2. Here 4 multiply by x power minus 1 multiply by y square multiply by z cube. Here it is y 4 divided by x y square z cube. It will be the answer. Now if we'll just take a second one, another example with the formula included, then how it will be written. So consider another example like x square minus 4x plus 4 divided by 4 divided by 2x square minus 8. Now just consider that it will be a rational expression and we have to reduce it. Then just x square minus 4x plus 4 and take 2 common from it, x square minus 4. Now x square minus 4, it will be written as x square minus 4x plus 4 divided by 2 into x square minus 2 square into 2. Now this can be written in a formula, states a square plus minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b का whole square. Now it will be written like, we'll just consider the formula and reduce the same fraction into this, like x minus 2 whole square will be equal to x square minus 4x plus 4 by this formula. Now and x square minus 2 square, it can be a formula like a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now opening the same formula like a plus b into a minus b, be x minus 2 whole square divided by 2 into x minus 2 into x plus 2. Now from this formula, 1 this can be cancelled out from this one power. It will be remains as 1 by 2 into x plus 2. That will be our answer. And thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, then subscribe our YouTube channel.